Okay, let's now talk about communication with an audience, because yeah, you need to communicate with your audience, and sooner or later people are gonna start pouring on your channel, pouring on your comments, liking your videos, asking some questions, being very funny, maybe being useless and very negative, being as well as positive, being very useful as well. Like a bunch of different kinds of people will pour to your channel. And trust me, you haven't done a social media yourself as a creator, you are not ready for this one. You have no idea what is coming. This is just insane. This is a completely different world, and this is completely different from anything that you've ever encountered. Just go and read some big channels comment sections. You will be amazed with how many different types of people are there. This is probably the most diverse place, most diverse, most positive, and most negative, most useful and most useless place ever in the world. This is amazing. The YouTube comment section especially is fantastic place. You need to learn to love it, my friends. You need to learn to love it. But here are some rules for you. Here are some rules that you need to follow in order to be very good with the communication with your viewers. These are very basic rules. These are not anything difficult, and probably you know this, but you may forgot how to follow them, or you may forgot to do them. So let's start with the do's, then let's go to the don'ts. First, answer the comments. Always answer the comments, whatever they do, no matter it's just good job or great video, or say thanks, or give a heart emoji, give a like to the comment, etc., etc. More engagement your comments has, the better. Even if it's engagement from you, it's better. Just answer the comments, whatever there is, except with an asterisk, and this asterisk is go to the don'ts part. I'm gonna talk about this a bit later. Just answer the comments. Then ask to subscribe and like. It is not begging. Many people are saying that, I don't want to beg in every single video to subscribe or like. People, in many cases, in 90% of the cases, when they go to the video, they don't think about subscribing. It's not that they don't want to subscribe or will not subscribe. They're just not thinking about subscribing. They get to your video because of your video, and they stay because of you. So you want them to stay and come back, right? You need to say that you need to subscribe to the channel and like the video, etc., etc. Tell them what to do, and they will do it because they already want it, and all they need to do is just nudge a bit, and they will do it. Always ask to subscribe and to like, and you should do it in your videos. Within your videos, not just going outside in the comments. Or you can go and ask them in a description and ask them in the pinned comment as well. There's nothing wrong with it, my friends. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. Absolutely do it. Number 3 do is be helpful and polite. Be helpful, my friend. Why would you be negative? Be positive, because your positivity is attracting other people. They are making some people angry, but a very little amount of people angry. So just be helpful, be positive. Entice people to comment. Ask them to comment. Tell them that you are interested in their point of view. Tell them that you want to hear what they think about it. Because people want to share their opinions wherever they can. Whenever they can, wherever they can, they want to share their opinions, and all they need to do, in many cases, is just to tell them to do that. That's all that you need to do. Permission to do that. In absolute majority of the cases, they don't even need that. But still, for the ones who need that, tell them. Be helpful. Be polite. Be very, very positive. That's all that you need to do. But the things that you need to not do is a bit bigger. First, don't lie. That's a big thing. It's be helpful, polite, and honest would be the better case in do's, but don't lie. People are like it. People, your viewers, the subscribers, are like tigers in the bushes. They are capturing every single word you say, because if they are watching your videos, you are at least some kind of authority to them. Some kind, positive, maybe even negative, but you are authority to them. And they listen to every single word you say. And if you lie, you will get caught, because you will get tangled in your lies. Don't lie. No matter how bad it is, just don't lie. If something is really that you want to say is really, really bad, just don't say it. And that's it. Don't lie or don't say. Just be absolutely honest or be silent. There's two things that you need to do. Be honest or be silent. Just don't lie. Second is, don't communicate with trolls. Man, trolls, they are everywhere. No matter what type of videos you do, they are everywhere. And they want you to get into their comments and just get into a fight with them in the comment section below, because they live with it. Some people just want it. It's not that it's bad every single time. You just don't need to communicate, because they will awake in you some things that you didn't even know that you had, like hidden anger and stuff. Just don't communicate. Like, identify troll right away. As soon as you will identify the troll, just ignore him. And that's why we have an asterisk in here, that just don't communicate with them. Don't be negative. Negativity is not good in your comments. No, it's not good. Because when people see the negativity in you, they are immediately going to attack you. It's like when you see that something is negative with you, oh boy, they're going to tear you to shreds, because they don't want you to be negative. Or maybe they will join you otherwise. It's even worse. They will join you, be negative against every other people in your comment section or in every other video. This is like giving them permission to be bad, and they are just going to be bad. Just 100%. Don't be negative. Don't give the negative people fuel to destroy your comment section, to destroy your channel. And last but not least, don't do things for commenters. Things they can do. You see, what happens in many cases, especially if you're doing educational tutorial videos, many people will come and don't even watch your video, or maybe even watch your video, and ask you to do for them whatever you're explaining in the channel. For example, if you're doing, I don't know, if I'm explaining how to do YouTube thumbnail in the video, they're gonna come here, oh, can you make me the thumbnail? Etc., etc., something like that. They're being very positive in many cases. Sometimes they're begging you, oh please, my computer is broken, or my grandpa died today. No, now, like it's 15 seconds ago, I cannot do a thumbnail. Please do something like that. There are gonna be a lot of people like that. They're gonna not just do things that you're already explaining them to do. They're gonna ask for money, for things, for promotion. They're gonna ask you for billion things. Don't do it. Because if you'll do it for one, you're gonna have to do it for everyone. Just don't do it. If you want to explain something, if they want your opinion, yes, give them your opinion. Just opinion, not the fact, just opinion. That's not a problem. Giving opinions is 100% allowed, it's 100% good, but don't do things for them, because it's just gonna turn out bad. And you will be the one to blame. Not them, you will be one to blame. So just don't do it. And what's most important, communicate with your viewers and subscribers. Communication builds trust. And trust is far more valuable than simple views. Because somebody will view your video and go away and never come back. But if you have a trust with your viewers, he will become your subscriber. He will come back for your videos. He will be active in the comment sections. Maybe he will purchase your products or whatever you do, depending on whatever you do. He will be He will be trustful and loyal to you, which is very, very valuable. So never forget to communicate with your viewers and subscribers. Well, this will be it for this one. Let's go to the next one.